Hi, hello, and welcome to Rebel Unicorn Crafts. This week, we're going to be reviewing a new product, one that I've been looking forward to purchasing for a while and finally decided to treat myself. Golden Fluid Acrylics. I have been kind of having a love affair with more soft body or fluid acrylic paints, and I haven't tried these yet. So, I've been seeing a lot of other artists. One of the artists I really like to follow is 1000, and he uses these, and I just always love the colors he has, and I'm really curious to see if it fits in with my art style and with how things work. So I ordered these from Blick, and this is a set of 10 1 fluid ounce containers, and it was about $40. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's check it out. Okay. So it comes in a little box. I'm really excited about this. And I need to puncture this. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's get rid of these guys. And each one is about this big. So the colors that we have are phthalo blue, which is always one of my favorite blues to use, ultramarine blue, quinacridone. Can somebody tell me how to say that right? It always, quinacridone, whatever.
Pyro red, benzimidazolone, yellow medium, a yellow oxide, which looks a lot similar to like yellow ochre, a phthalo green, burnt sienna, a carbon black, and a titanium white.
I like this assortment of colors. My favorite yellows to use are the yellow ochre type ones. I love using phthalos. I am a little curious because this red, it's pretty red, but it's got a little bit of a yellow hint to it. Whereas this red, the magenta, is more of a blue red. So there's not really a nice in between. So I'm curious to see if that does anything with mixing colors. Okay, I did get a tip last time that I wish that I'd seen before I opened my really nice soft body acrylics from Liquitex, and it kind of shot everything out. I'm gonna go ahead and poke a hole in the top, yep, and that definitely had some of the color come out, but I think it's gonna release the pressure and I won't lose quite as much. Okay, before I take drastic measures, let's see if a different one. Okay, I'm gonna start by poking the hole, release some pressure, and this one is gonna come off, right? Yes, it actually is. Okay, good. Kind of? Is it coming off? I've got an X-Acto. I'm just going to go ahead and cut around in a circle because that was not going to come off. Does anybody like this part of this? I don't know why, but I know why they do it, so that the paints don't dry out and it doesn't come and your day isn't ruined, because you can't use your new fancy paints. But I like the part where I get to squeeze it out for the first time, but I don't like this part. It always feels like when they do these seals, like, you know, when you buy something and you have to like already own supplies in order to get into it. Okay, so I've never used these before. I'm going to treat. I haven't read anything. I don't think there are any real instructions. Let's see. Fluids can be poured, spattered, drizzled, sprayed, or dripped onto the canvas. Offer an excellent alternative to water when diluted with water. Not water soluble. Permanent. Watercolor is permanent too. I'm a little confused. I don't fully know. Whatever, we're going to get started with the actual swatching. So let's go from, I'm gonna go backwards. I'm gonna go darkest to lightest so that I can actually try to cover with some of this white. So I'm not going to start by diluting this. I'm going to put a little drop on the paper. And let's just see. This is, oh, that's green. Oops, not black. That was close. Carbon black. Okay. First one. Little drop. Looks very black. Oh my gosh. Wow. It feels so good on the paper. And it's dark. Like let's make a charcoal mark. Let's pretend like we were sketching. So this was charcoal here. This is nice. We went over it. Can't see it, but I mean it's black. So let's try with a different color. Some purple. Okay, I think I still have enough on my brush. I can only see it because it's getting sparse, but there's no way. There's no way you'd be able to see it. Oh my gosh, this is, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Loving it. I'm gonna really dry and brush off because I want to try it without any extra water in it. Okay? I put less on. Oh my gosh, it moves so nice. Okay, let's see. Can I add just a tiny bit of black to see if it mixes? Kind of. I mean, the black is so powerful. I don't know what would happen. My favorite color. Wash, 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 wash. Wow. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just mix a little bit of that together. Can we blend them? Can we blend them? Oh yeah, we can blend them. We can blend them. I went ahead and swatched all the different colors. I'm equally impressed with all the colors and their coverage and how they move. They're beautiful paints. Let's go ahead and skip ahead to the last color and using white, seeing what the white coverage is and creating some pastels and seeing how the white mixes into different colors. Now obviously if I put down some white, it's not going to do me much good. But if I mix it in, yep, okay, let's take some of it and put it over one of the darker colors. It's surprisingly pigmented. It doesn't completely cover, but I mean, it covers pretty well. Let's try to makes a beautiful pastel color. Okay, so that has great coverage. All right, I'm sold. Okay, so obviously I like these, and obviously I'm going to recommend them. This video had intended to be both a unboxing, swatching, and then a using and practical painting with, but I spent so much time just loving these in the test period that I then also spent a bunch of time doing 2 different paintings with these paints, and I don't think I've got enough time to go into all of the differences with this. So here's me playing with these. I absolutely think these are great paints. I'm not entirely surprised by that. They're recommended by a lot of different people, but I think they are worth the money, and you don't use that much and you get great coverage. Stay tuned for the next video, in which I will kind of discuss some of the little challenges as well as what I really liked using these for. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you're local to Northern Colorado and would like to take a class, visit rebelunicorncrafts.com to see my class listings. If you'd just like to see what I'm up to, visit my Instagram at rebelunicorncrafts, or if you'd like to see my art, you can visit my other Instagram at LaceyWalkerArt. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a magically creative day.